How are you today? Let's see how we can make this app. Right now, text to speech app. You can see that as you write something like this and you click this button,
Now are you?
it's saying now are you. Let's say type this and click.
Hello world. Hello world.
Yes, as you increase here,
Hello world. Hello world.
as you reduce,
Hello world.
yeah,
Hello world.
yeah, this is a very nice app, yeah, with great designs. Let's get started right now and see. Just come here and to the desktop and create a new folder, and you can name it text to speech. Just come here and come to the VS Code to your IDE, and then just drag the folder you have created. Otherwise you can open it. So we are to see here how we can create this app from scratch, and we need to create a new folder here. We need to make this app with HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Let's make index.html. Create another file called style.css. For that case, let's come to index.html. Just type doc, and then we see how we can continue. Within, just type something like this, then within the header we can import the style, clear equals style sheet, ref equals style.css. Just come here to the body, and then create a div. Just give it a class of container. Within the container we'll have a title, we'll have a title. Let's say this is an h1. We can say that let's say text to speech, and then just come down and create another div. You can, let's say that before that, just come here and say text area, something like this, and we'll give it an ID of text. Then we'll give the columns will be 20. Let the columns be 30, and the rows will be something like 15. This is the text area, and then within this div, we'll need a label for speed. Label for speed. This is speed. Then this is an input type. Input type will be range, and then from that side we will give it an ID. We give it an ID of speed. Let's just come and open it and see. Yes, you can see. You give it a placeholder here, some text. Give it a placeholder equals write text here. Just copy the whole of this and paste it here, and then we have to change this. This is label for pitch, and then this ID will be pitch. This is pitch. So hope that's it. Yeah, seeing now something. Seeing something coming. Now let's try to, but it is not measured well. It has to, once you click, it come right here. Let's add something here and say that label for label input type equals range, max will be 2. Also here max will be 2. So you see that once you click, it's clear now. Let's give it some styling. So let's say margin will be 0, padding will be 0, and then box sizing will be border box. When we come to the body, for the body width has to be 100% with hand height of 100 VH. We will give it a display of flex and then justify content center and then align items center. Yeah, we see that our app is displayed from the center. So for that, for the body, we give it a background of, let it be linear gradient, let it be red, and then let it be orange. For that case, yes, we are seeing something coming now. I will continue, and once we come to that, let's come here and we get this div class container. Now we are styling this container. So just come here and say for the container border will be 5 pixels solid, and for the color will be blue. For the border radius will be 10 pixels. The radius will be 10 pixels. For the background color will be light blue, and then we'll give it a padding of 10 pixels. Let's come here and say, let's give it a height of 500 pixels. Yes, we need it to be something of this nature, this kind. So once we come, let's come back here. For the rows, should the rows be 10? Yes. Then columns should be 40. Yes, it should be something of this kind. And now once we come to the text area, this text area, let's give it some styling. For the text area, we give it a padding of 10 pixels. 4. Now for the title, let's style also this title. Let's give it a class of title. And then we'll give it a padding of 10 pixels. And then font size, font size, should it be something like 50 pixels? And font weight will be 90 pixels. Sorry, this should be 900. Yes. Now we are seeing something coming. So for the font size, will it be 15? It like this? Yes. And for the container, we don't have this background color for the container. It should be something like this. And then we have also box shadow. This 0, is it 15 pixels? And then #ff is coming now. For the text area, we have a border, radius of 5 pixels. Text area. Then background color be light blue. Now we are seeing something. Now for this title, also for the color has to be, is it? Yes. Is it like that? Yes. And now from that, we need to add a button here. Need to add a button. Need to add a button down here. this pic, we'll give it an ID of button. Hope that's it. So yes, for that case, but let's implement it. Let's implement at least our button. So once we come to the style.css, we'll say dash button. Let's give it a padding of 5 pixels. Something like that. Is it? And then 15 pixels. Something like this. Now let's give it a border radius of 5 pixels. Then background color of light blue, and then let's give it a cursor pointer. At least something is implemented. At least. Now let's go to the next step where we can, once we enter some text and click, it is spoken by your machine. Just come here and create a new file called main.js, and then from that let's say let text equals document dot get element by id text. Just come here down the body tab. We put our JavaScript. So, and say script source will be equals to main.js. So let's come and say this is the text ID that will be had once we click the button. Once we click, we need this text in here to be had here, then spoken. So let text equals to this id.get element by id, and then from that you say let button equals document dot get element by id, document dot element by id button. This get element by id helps us to listen to the file in index.html. So from that, I will say let's speech equals new synthesis utterance. Now from that, we will say button dot add event listener, click, then we have empty brackets, arrow sign, then we'll just say speech dot text will be equals to text dot value. Be equals to text dot value. Speech dot rate will be equals to now we have to also have something here. Let speed equals document dot get element by id speed. And also here let speech equals document dot get element by id speech. So we will now say speech dot text equals text dot value. Speech dot rate will be equals to speed will be equals to speed dot value. Speed dot value. So from that, speech dot volume be equals to 1, and now from that speech dot patch will be equals to speech dot value. So we will now say speech speech syntax is speak speech. Let's just come here. Once you refresh and type, we have completed.
We have completed.
Yes.
We have completed. We have completed.
Once you reduce,
We have completed. We have completed. We have completed. We have completed.
yes, hope that was nice. Make sure you subscribe for the next videos, next wonderful videos. Thanks for watching.